Good afternoon, everyone, especially to our guests, Board of Trustees, teachers, parents, audience, and to my fellow students. The flower of appreciation was crafted to embody the values of gratitude in appreciation. With this flower, we acknowledge your hard work and dedication and express our heartfelt appreciation for your efforts. Let this flower remind you the importance of expressing gratitude and appreciation towards others